My dear child, I am your heavenly author, loving partner for eternity, my darling toddler. Guide and protector, should I speak to you alone, may this be our invention, you were my choice. I'm the one because I lit a positive fire inside of you before you even breathed, and it burns with steadfast commitment. Who plans your entire journey and constantly pours an ocean of compassion and love down your throat. I am love. Itself the dazzling light and the gentle whisper of serenity in the midst of life's storms, light that leads you through the night. By working together, we may ignite a wave of optimism. Please click the like button if you wish to share this divine energy. To jump into a sea of faith, shout Amen nicely, because your involvement helps us. Type 333, moving forward in this inspiring journey, treat these moments as a blank slate. Whatever you can adorn with holy marvels, my spirit follows you everywhere, keeping watch over you with my words. Give your tired feet some direction and allow these realities to really sink in. Inside your soul, ready to surface at those pivotal moments when you yearn for my companionship, never forget that you are invited to enter my grace's doors with courage and abandon any fear. Type 2222, I'm here to fill in the gaps in your soul, ease the pressure of invisible wounds, and remove the darkness that formerly loomed large over your thoughts, and to free yourself of the secrets that once kept you captured. But now that you're free, allow me to give you a new beginning by clearing the debris and removing the dirt from yesterday and freeing you from the bonds of remorse, so you can stop worrying about having a heart attack. Heart or losing your tranquility, you become ensnared by the web of your past. Act to the best of your ability and strive for modesty. We are searching for a way out. You are taking the initiative to purify your soul and make apologies, and trusting those who hold grudges. Please donate us $100 to support us, and you stand before me in this holy incarnation, refusing to pardon me, restored, your spirit purified, and you are pardoned. Remember that with every step by step, despite your mistakes, you are moving closer to the light, and with each step you take, you are no more characterized by your transgressions or the burden of your history. My little one goes on with a heart free of the burdens of the past, glowing with my unwavering love and forgiveness. Since there are countless chances for development and rebirth, accept the situation as it is, and give me all that you find depressing and let go of your old anxieties. Allow my electric current to pass through everything that prevents you from living fully in the moment and obscures your delight. Letting go of memories and concepts that have been inside of you for far too long, through your very being plant seeds of divine reality, release yourself from bonds, and smash the fears that afflict you. My grace, penetrate your entire being and bestow upon you the marvel of genuine independence and the consoling embrace of my generosity. You find solace in my love, and your life is full of blessings. You've changed your perspective, sought solace from, and broken free from the bonds that shackled you. Your annoyance and discovered solace in your fury. You won't speak deceitfully or with bitterness, and the help of God, I can transform your words into an uplifting symphony. Type 444, that will release you and aid in your recovery. Keep in mind that I have supported you at every turn, so you are not alone really. By me, I'll keep my word and lead you to a wealthy future. I firmly believe that people who bow to my will in the future will witness amazingly. You are capable of overcoming any obstacle, and I shall relish the depth of my love. Relax knowing that a plethora of angels are surrounding you, dwelling and keep watch over you in my incarnation for myself and my beloved. Nothing is beyond your reach, my love, and I will always keep an eye on you with your family tree. which is invaluable to me. The nourishment of heavenly truth, I am here to provide you consolation, support, because I am the source of eternal life. You will always have all you need while you are with me. Type 666, keep your heart and soul apart from others who are experiencing unimaginable delight and support. Fallible spark a desire within you to pursue your goals by allowing my presence to fulfill your most basic needs. Wishes return to my safe refuge if you rely on faith and confidence. On me, follow my advice, and line up with my objectives in life, love, and my lessons will surround you. The possibilities are nearly endless. Savor each moment that you are conscious of. Being thankful will make you happy every day because of the marvels that are currently occurring in your life. Let's start with expressing gratitude beyond measure and firmly trusting that miracles will occur today. Divine love has no boundaries. When I envelop you in my powerful arms, you appear at ease. When you voluntarily share your suffering, emotions, ailments, and burdens with me, your faith molds your reality. Watch how, my love, this is still the age of miracles. I am your God and healer. Breaks ties and brings about enormous changes to your way of life and house when I move in. Marvel, I have the ability to transform you and help you let go of all negative feelings that are robbing you of peace, anxiety, bitterness, and doubt. Bring them to me, and I'll mend your heart. Type 111, I may teach you the path of melancholy and provide repair to everything that makes you unhappy. Let me tell you, non-religious shadows, that you mean the world to me and that I have to you have cried out to me, and I have answered. Don't continue to endure your suffering. Cast doubt on this. Set aside and allow your heart to be filled with the profound love that soothes you. I need you to tell me once more that your presence will make you feel more valuable and less pained. Everyday health. I wish to bless and rejuvenate your loved ones' bodies, minds, and souls. And bank account. My healing touch could enhance your emotional and physical well-being. Clarity about your social circle and financial circumstances. You and your family will be able to live in harmony once my healing touch transforms every aspect of your existence to provide you with happiness and contentment. You deserve a better fate, and I won't let it happen to you going forward. Your doubts now thwart my intentions for you, so going it alone is not a good idea. A choice that I will personally give to you, pointing you in the direction of happiness. That I can place a crown of honor on your forehead if it is truly yours, even if others have also looked down on you, jealous of your might, and when those who have harmed you acknowledge their error, they will return and ask for your pardon. Being on your squad will establish your resource as a celebrity. Those who have wronged you will attempt to make things right, so bow down and silently pray to yourself while you please hear me out and accept my gratitude for everything I've done for you. Recognize what you do, and it makes me happy to hear your voice. You are going to open a new door that will lead to I lean toward the route that leads to success in all areas with your soul's guidance, for the benefit of you and your loved ones. Growth. You might be debt-free, make sure you never go without food, and manage your commitments without taking out loans. That is what I envision for your future, and it will materialize to prevent the challenges. As you have experienced, we have come into this world to fortify your faith and inspire you to persevere in your I know you are desperate for something, and that would be a daily sincere desire for me. Your heart is praying for my love's consoling embrace with all of its power, because I am no longer talking about ephemeral advantages, benefits that could evaporate on the other hand or disappear as quickly as they appear. Hey, I'm prepared to reveal to you a wealth of opportunities by highlighting the genuine gifts that are within your heart. We'll develop fortitude, sturdiness, and profound comprehension if it is possible. I ask that you deepen your religious connection, study more about my teachings, and get to know me better. You really look for me. These benefits are right at your fingertips, but it's crucial that you approach them modestly and keep in mind that you are a mortal being vulnerable to temptation. Adversary could use to mislead you, make fun of your mistakes, and ultimately condemn you. My goal is to shield you from the immorality that I am exposing. Walls to protect yourself and your loved ones from danger, therefore keep your eyes open and your faith strong in prayer, for the devil waits for moments to take advantage of you when you're not observing. Gleefully accept my guidance, and may glorification act as your sanctuary as I execute my plan as planned. You must be in the midst of things in order for your efforts to be generously rewarded. The harvest may appear small at first, but keep in mind that this is momentary. If you cherish these prospects, I can assure you that opportunities for food and money are coming. And require the job you're seeking for, I'll make things easier for you. You can move forward with confidence. Go for chances that will help you and the people you care about, since they are really important to me. Armed with this knowledge, may my love's joy and tranquility envelop you. I'm always here for you. Time's a devoted friend unmatched by anybody other, and I will always adore you. Allow you a brief moment to breathe, close your eyes, and take it in. Here to share this tranquility with you, knowing that even when I doubt my own, your worries will always be present. Phrases that will never fade. My love for you is unwavering, and I am standing by your side. My advice for you has no boundaries. However, you could be reluctant to let go of the things that are preventing you from being calm, despite your desire to be nearer to me. Resentment may sometimes subtly seep into when I speak. Pay special attention to my tone and allow its soothing energy to uplift you. For whatever reason, I chose to etch my words into your innermost essence, so please give me your whole focus, my love. You're free now, and I'm holding you close. Remember that even though you are facing the difficulties of the day, I am here, securely ensconced in my embrace, able to participate in the middle of dangerous circumstances. I will reassure you of my love and lead you away from wrong roads and deceptive feelings. I'll kindle a persistent fire in you, and my radiation will illuminate your environment with an even greater brilliance than the sun does now. You will defeat every power that attempts to bring about change these days, and no amount of evil can ever dull my everlasting light. You suffering, I would want to take this opportunity to show you how much I care. Pay close attention while I speak softly to you. I anoint you with oil throughout the day in anticipation of the many blessings that will come your way. Take in when you let me in. I'll remove any false notions from your head. Are you feeling hopeless? My grace is prepared to lift you up and purify you. I want you to know that I am not scared of feeling guilty for past transgressions. My intention isn't to condemn. My entire self is an expression. It is not necessary to impose a judgment or punishment. Expressing my love for you, and I hope you'll take the initiative to fully convey the profound depth of my it's time to quit worrying that you are at a turning point if you have attachment that has been waiting for your renown. When two roads separate in your life's journey and head in opposing directions, one leads to truth and eternity. I hope you will follow me as I lead the other to a bright future. I promise not to lessen your path, but I promise to mentor and assist you. my lessons will light up your journey and fill your soul with hope. If you're feeling down, know that you're always welcome, day or night. I promise to preserve, guard, and embrace your beating heart in my arms. Surrounded with love, joy, abundance, and serenity, with my assistance, you'll be protected from damage, such as that caused by the thief, the destroyer, and his dishonest associates. Legions of angels will guard your home from above, poised and ready to pounce on any threat. My allegiance is constant from yesterday to the present and beyond. My presence will grow as inescapably as the days do, the nights finish, and the stars enter the night as you have. I have always promised to fight any adversary who dares to attack nobody or nothing. Bothers you, know that I'm keeping an eye on your haven and that you're not alone in this. I promise. Significant benefits that I anticipate for you at this designated moment. I am the one who you may yearn for, the times when I was chosen, who gave you your name, and who owns you. I'm there to save your life, but know that no matter how awful things get, I'll always be here for you. Become a dependable buddy for you to rely on throughout difficult times. Usually, when people turned away, I would have stared at you there with sympathy. Are no boundaries to my love for you, and it only grows stronger every year. You have my complete attention for eternity.